Rubik's Cubes. One of the most annoying things to really make your friends mad. I know how to do them. So, in this, mess this whole thing up. Just turn it, see? Just mess it up. Most people, gosh, now we don't even know how to do this. This thing's so messed up. Darn. Man, I can't believe people would mess up a Rubik's Cube like this. Like, now it's going to take me forever to figure out how to put it back together. Well, not anymore. Because once you learn the algorithms to a Rubik's Cube, it's a whole lot easier to put them back together. So what you first want to do, you put the white on top, up on top. Then you try and find your white sides, and you put all these on the bottom. See, white on the bottom, white on top. This is just an easy thing to do. Just try and get them all on the bottom. It's kind of easy. A lot of people have trouble with it for some reason. I don't get it. Okay, once they're all on the bottom, white, yeah, 4 whites, 1 on top. You line up the white, this white right here, and this. You line up with the middle color, so these two right here are the same with the white on the bottom. They turn it all the way up so that your 2 whites on top match up. Easy. Then you find another white on the bottom, and you line it up again. Turn it up to the top. You do it with all 4 of your white bottoms. And it's not that hard. Yeah, now you have a white cross. Yeah, white cross. That was a fail. Yeah, it's a white cross. No. Okay. Then you find all your white corners. So right here, the white's still on top. This white corner has the white, the green, and the orange. See that? White, green, orange. Okay. Then you find this. You look. Which corner up here on top has white, green, and orange? So you look for one that's white, then you follow off where your orange is, then you turn it. It's like green, up to there. Then you take your white piece that's white, green, and orange, and you put it right beneath that, so it's straight down in here. Then you turn it whichever way the white is pointing. So you turn it that way, drop the corner down that you need it to go to, drop the wrong corner, my bad. You drop the side that you just turned off of. So I just turned off this side, drop this down, bring this back to where it is, and send it up. A lot of people get confused at that stage. I just dropped my cube on my computer. Okay. Now, you have the orange, white, and blue. So you find the orange, white, blue corner. Put it directly below. Turn it whichever way this is facing. Turn the side down. Okay, I'm going to turn this so you guys see. Turn this side down. Then bring this back. Yeah, bring it back. Send it up. Now we're going to have a problem. Because see, this is in the right corner. It's just not in correctly. So in order to get that incorrectly, we have to drop this corner down. Turn the bottom. See, now if I turn it this way, when I turn it back up, I just put that white on the bottom. No. So, in order to do it correctly, you turn this way. the other way, so it doesn't go on the bottom when you turn this back up. Then you put it underneath, follow the white, drop the corner, pop it up. There you go. White is solved. And by solving white there, you got the whole first row. Now, you need to get these corners in the correct spots. So, you look at the top for a piece that does not have yellow. No yellow. So it would be green and red. Green, red. Now you line it up. You line the green up with its color. Now this will end up with any color, so you just take the color that's on the side here and you line it up with its color. Now you do this little thing where you turn the green away from red. So you bring the red up. This is actually really confusing. I've never actually done this without looking. I bring the green back, turn this red back down, follow the arrow, you follow it. Now you bring this side up, no, not that one, this side up, and then you bring the white back, you turn that side down. Now you got that piece in its corner. Now you repeat until you get the whole second row done. Kind of simple. Again, a lot of people get confused. It's okay, you won't learn this all on the first try. It took me like a whole month to learn this. Okay, now I'm going to continue until this part is done. Okay, now that these sides are both done, see that? They're all done. Yep, both the rows and the bottom. Now, you're pretty close, right? You got people are starting to get impressed. They're like, oh my gosh, he's almost got it done. Well, you're only about halfway through. Now you go. Find your L. Put the L in the top left corner. So you're thinking, you're holding this. White's now on the bottom. It's all on the bottom. No. Look at that. I don't have any white there. Yeah, white's on bottom. Now you take it, you put it in the top left corner. From there, you're going to turn the face that's closest to you up. You're going to turn it, and then you're going to put the side on this side of the L. That, this, and then you turn this side up. See? And then you turn this way. And turn the top clockwise. And then you drop back down this side. Bring this counterclockwise. Drop the side. Then you make sure that this line down the middle is horizontal. And then you do the same thing. Up, clockwise, down, counterclockwise, down. Now you got the yellow cross. Okay, now with the yellow cross, you try to make sure that all four of your posts, this, and these two, are on the same color. These two aren't. So in order to fix that, you do this little algorithm where you put one color that's correct and the other color that's correct. Put one on the back, one on the side. Sometimes you'll get them where both the sides have the same thing. Then you just do it until you get one that hits the back and the side. There you go. Up, clockwise. Okay, go right side up, top clockwise, right side down, top clockwise, right side up, then top clockwise twice, and then down. And that will get you all four together. I know, I'm awesome. Then you find a piece like this, where all three of the corners are, where it's in the correct spot, correctly placed. There you go. Nice and easy. Now from that, you can just go, take it, you save that piece. Let me look at this. Okay, so yeah, you take it, save. There you go. Up, bring this piece back, up, bring this piece back, down, this piece back, down. Now, I have both those in the right spot. Right there, right there. Wow. Then, these two, they're in the right spot, just not correctly in the right spot. Now you do a simple thing. You take one piece, like this one, and put it closest to you. There you go. Down. Yeah. Oh, this is hard to see. Okay, you take it, go down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Now once you get it so that they're in correctly, right here, you turn the top to where you're just at. Don't turn the bottom, don't turn the cube, turn the top. Then you'll mess yourself up if you don't do it. Then you go down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Now there's other ways to cheat on that, but to learn it, to start, you just want to do that. Once you get to this, you're done. Yeah, that's it. My next video will be of me doing it.